Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ticketmaster how to save tickets to phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To save your Ticketmaster tickets to your phone for easy access at events, what you need to do if you are using an iPhone is head over and open up your Ticketmaster's app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on My Events on the bottom of Options and then select View Tickets. Then inside, what you need to do is select the ticket that you want, and there you find an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Simply select that and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the addition. Then once added, you can access your tickets in the Apple Wallet app even without an internet connection. Now if you are an Android user, what you need to do is open the Ticketmaster's app and log into your account. Then navigate through My Events and select your event. Then simply tap on View Tickets. Then you'll find there an option that says Save to Google Wallet. Simply select that and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the addition. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.